Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the new topic, that is the factoring. So in this one we are going to see how to multiply the binomials and the polynomials. So now let us see how we are going to expand and simplify this. So now see here, whenever you want to expand this, so now what will you do? You will take this number, this into this. So that is going to be 6x squared. Again this into this, that is going to be 21x. Then this into this, that is going to be 2x. And this into this, that is going to be 7. So now you will take the like terms together. So here x you will take together. So this will be as it is. So 21x plus 2x, that will be 23x plus 7. So this is the answer. Now look at here. This is little different. Here is 3. So first thing what you are going to do, either you keep this 3 at the side first and then you do together this one as you did this problem, or what will you do? You will take first this part. So this you are going to expand. So what will be that? 6x minus 3. So this is 6x minus 3 and this will be as it is. So now you will do the same thing what you did for the first problem. So this is going to be 12x squared plus 30x minus 6x, and this is going to be minus 15 because this is minus. So minus 3 into 2, that is going to be minus 6x. Minus 3 into 5, that is going to be minus 15. Again, you will bring the like terms to take the like terms together. This will be same. Plus 30 minus 6 is going to be plus 24. And this will be minus 15. So now look at this. Again, what will you do here? As I said here, either you can take this or you can keep 3 at the side and first expand this one. So here I have showed you the other way. I kept here 4 at the side and I expanded this one first. So 4 keep at the side. This is going to be x squared minus 6x minus 2x minus plus, so plus 12. So this is for the first part. Now again here the same. This 3 keep at the side. So what will you do here? 3x squared minus 2x plus 9x, and this is going to be minus 6. So now let us do one thing. First keep this 4 as it is. This as it is, take the like terms together, that will be minus 6 minus 2, that will be minus 8x. And this 12 as it is. Again this same, here same, take the like terms, plus 9 minus 2, that will be plus 7. And this minus 6. Now we are going to expand it. 4x squared minus 32x plus 48. Again here, plus 9x plus 21x, and this is going to be minus 18. So now what will you do? This x squared is just once. Again you will take, you have 4x squared and here also plus 9 squared, that is 4x squared and 9 squared. Then you will take x together, that is minus 32x and plus 21x, so that is here. Then this constant one you will take here, and now you will take this one, so that will be plus 4 plus 9, that is going to be 13x squared minus 32 plus 21, that is going to be minus 11 plus 48 minus 18, that is going to be plus 30. So this is the answer. So here what did I do here? In this problem I took this first and then I'll multiply this with this one. So this is going to be 6y plus 4. So this is 6y plus 4, and now this as it is. So this both as it is. So now what will you do here? Because see, this is minus here. So first this will be one part and this is the other part. 6y squared minus 6y plus 4y minus 4. This minus as it is. So first thing you will put a bracket for this because this is a minus sign. So because here later on all the sign will change. So this bracket is important, and here there's no necessary. See here there's no bracket over here. So here what is that going to be? 2y squared plus y minus 4y minus 2. This is the one. So now this will be as it is first. Now see here, minus 2y square, so minus 2y square. Minus plus, that will be minus, so minus y. Minus minus plus, so plus 4y. And minus minus is gone plus, that is plus 2. So now what you can see here, y square, 6y square minus 2y square, minus 4y plus 4y, minus y plus 4y. So now what will you see here? This is a constant. So 6 minus 2, that is going to be 4y square. So here what you can see, there are 4 y's. So minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 2. This is 1, means minus 3. And plus 4, minus 3 plus 4, that is going to be plus 1. So that will be plus 5. And this will be minus 4 plus 2, that will be minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, that is going to be minus 2. So this is the answer. So now what we can do here, you can see this is a square. So we can write this will be same. This thing we can write 2 times, or we can do one thing. You know that a plus b whole bracket square, that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Anyways, you can write it. But what I did here, I wrote this 2 times, the same thing 2 times. And this is the same. So now what will you do? 2 the same. Now we'll think of this one. So 9x square plus 12x plus 12x, and this is going to be plus 16. And then minus now. So minus, so this is going to be in the bracket again, this and this one. So that is 16x square minus 20x plus 20x and minus 25. So now this will be same. We can take this together. So 9x square will be here. This will be 24x plus 16 minus here. Minus 20x plus 20x get cancelled. So this will be. So here what will you get here? 18x square plus 48x plus 32. This will be minus 16x square, and this minus minus becomes plus 25. So here 18x square, this is going to be minus 16x square. So this will be 48x and plus 32 and plus 25. So this will be 2x square, 48x, and this is going to be 57. So this is the answer. Now look at this problem. Here we have 2 terms and here we have 3 terms. So what needs to be done over here? This into this, that will be 3x square. This is going to be minus 4xy. Again this into this is going to be 5 2s are, this will be 5x. So this is 5x. So this is over. Now think of this one. This is going to be 6xy. This is going to be minus, plus minus is going to be minus y square, 8y square. And here it's going to be plus 10y. So this is plus 10y. So now what will we do here? This will be here 3x square. Now along with this, now let us take this is y square. So minus 8y square over here. Then we'll take this minus 4xy. And this is plus 6xy together. Then 5x, and this will be 10y. So here this will be same. Minus 4xy plus 6xy means plus 6 minus 4, that is going to be plus 2. 5x as it is, and this is 10y as it is. So now you can see both places there are 3 terms. So what will you do? You will take this one, and this whole bracket you are going to take it here. So then you will take this number minus 2x, and this whole bracket again you are going to take again here. This you will take plus 1, and again you will take this whole bracket. So now what will you at the next step? You are going to expand it. That will be x raised to 4, 5x cube, 6x square, minus 2x cube, this is minus plus, minus 10x square, this is 12x, minus 12x because this is minus and this plus means minus 12x. Then this is going to be x square, 5x and 6. So now we can see x raised to 4 is only once. x cube is here, also here, so that will bring it together. Again you can see this x square is here, this is x square is here, and again this x square is here, so that will bring it together. So now what remains is x square over, then we'll see for x. So here we have x and here we have x, that will bring it here, and the constant plus 6 is here. So this will be just once. So now this 5 minus 2, because both are x cube, so that is going to be 3x cube. These all are x square, so plus 6 minus 10, so minus 4 x square, and this is 1 plus 1, so that is going to be minus 3x square. So minus 12 plus 5, that is going to be minus 7, and this is plus 6, so this is the answer. Now look at here, we have the formula, this is cube in cube, we have the formula a minus b cube also, or you can do one thing, this same we can write it 3 times. So after writing this 3 times, this one we'll keep it separate. Now we will combine this one, we can expand this one, so it is going to be 16x square minus 8x minus 8x, and this is going to be plus 4. So again here, same, this is the same, because this is x, both are x, so minus 8 minus 8, that is going to be minus 16x plus 4. So now what you can do here, now you got here the 2 terms and here are 3 terms. So now you can expand it, this into this, that is going to be 64 x cube minus 64 x square 16x, so this is here. Then what will you take? You will take this number minus 32x square, this is going to be plus minus and minus becomes plus 32x, and this is going to be minus 8. Hope you got this one. So this is going to be x cube, here 64x square, and then again here we have one more x square, so that will be here, then x and x, that should be together over here, and this constant is here. So this is only ones. So when you take this one, so what will you get here? Minus 64 minus 32. So that is going to be minus 96. Here plus 48x, and this is minus 8. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts.